Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tensong, yesterday visited Mukro village and met the victim's family and handed over the checks to the family members. The state government has suspended mobile phone internet for another 48 hours. State Home Department official informed that the order is effective from 10 a.m. today to another 48 hours. Speaking at the pre-launch of India's year-long grand celebration of International Year of Millets 2023 in New Delhi, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar said millets have increasing relevance in the world today in the backdrop of COVID, climate change and conflicts. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired her fifth pre-budget 2023 consultations with the expert of service and trade in New Delhi today. The three-day apex-level regional strategic dialogue of the Indian Navy, the Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue 2022, began in New Delhi yesterday.